Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SONY ULT FIELD 5 and I'm going to tell you how you can easily perform a firmware update. So as you can see, first we have to allow our speaker to connect, etc. And as you can see here at the bottom, you can see the latest audio device software is available. We have to click more info and here start. As you can see, here we have a monit, so we have to connect the power supply to the audio device and execute. So let me take my USB Type-C cable. We have to have our USB Type-C cable connect to our charger, to our power supply. Here, as you can see, I do have the USB Type-C cable, and we have to plug this cable into our charging port. It is, as I can see, charge DC, charge in. Now we have to click OK and start. Now as you can see here, we have downloading the latest audio device firmware. Oh god. More info. As you can see now, we have transferring the latest audio device software. It may take some time, so don't worry. Now, as you can see, after the process transferring, we have update the audio device software. Here we have to tap start to start doing so. Now we have to wait. Now we have the software update complete. Let's click OK. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.